Bombay Jewelers presents Glamour Lane.
Hi friends, this is Samir Ranjan Das and you are watching Arundhati Jewelry presents Glamour Lane. Life is like a camera. Focus it what is important. You will capture it perfectly. Well, here is a man who is called as a lens man of Bollywood and Hollywood of course. He is a proud of Odisha. Manoj bhai. Namaskar bhai. केमती अच्छा
बहुत भल अच्छे थैंक यू
अच्छा सो स्वीट अफ मैंने आपण माने ओडिशा ओडिशार जो लोक मानकर गोटे जो स्ट्रेंथ को सेठी आपण बिल्ट अप करिसेंती ओडिया लोक मानकर गोटे प्राउड कि हां आपण सेठी जाके अछंती तो केमती लागे आपण को माने ओडिसा रो जाके सेठी एस्टैब्लिश करबा निजुको एंड द अप्स एंड डाउन्स
आई थिंक आई फील वेरी प्राउड इन दैट वे बिकॉज़ ओडिसा जाई जो जगह हम पहुंचू से डेफिनेटली लाइक इट्स क्वाइट long journey yeah but definitely we been
struggle is hard
see the word struggle I never use
okay
it's a journey as journey has lots of like ups and downs and like no happy and sorrow moments so you always keep on side and keep on moving so that where we supposed to be we try to achieve like no हमको जो जीवार अछि से टारगेट हम क्लियर बा दरकार ऑब्स्टैकल्स तो आसी रास्ता रे
निश्चय
so we have to take it easy not to like no take as a very concrete key it can't move yes it can move but there is other way to find out how to move it
भाई गोटे जिंस कि बहुत लोकंकर कंप्लेन था कि जो ओडिया माने बॉलीवुड रे एस्टैब्लिश्ड हे जाई छथि जो ओडिया माने स्ट्रगल कर छथि से माने हेल्प करंतनी तो आपण एक्चुअली से विषय कोन भाबंती
नहीं एमते नहीं एटा आई थिंक रॉन्ग लोकंकर परसेप्शन in my personal I can say like my unit I have 10 Oriya people working with me.
So you referred Oriya guys, Oriya people and all?
I don't do that.
Okay.
I don't refer. Whoever comes in that time in the vacancy, I keep them. And if I feel that they have value for like no, if they're really interested, they really
or
want
talented.
to do something. Because otherwise I don't want to categorize people. If I'm working there Bombay with so many other people, so why should I keep that unit of Oriya only? So it's something wrong.
Okay. तो हमें जिते शुणु कि द लाइफ और द लाइमलाइट जो बॉलीवुड जो गोटे लाइमलाइट जो कलरफुल वर्ल्ड ता जति माने बाहर देखा जाए जति कलरफुल तार भीतर रे हमें सेति गोटे डार्क जिंस गुडा मीडिया रे बाहर न्यूज़पेपर रे आसे टीवी रे आसे
frankly my like no interaction with all this kind of filmmaking it is in a limited source
okay
for me like I have to interact with the director production house something
or actors maybe
even the actor they comes in the end they never come the before like no, when you sign a film with somebody they come to shoot but before that we have a relation with the director producer with the production designer
you don't have any friend circle with that actors
see I don't want to do that frankly because I don't want to categorize like no specialize somebody's अच्छा दोस्त है बुरा दोस्त है मुझे नहीं करना है in front of my camera they all be in a family so I should treat them like no as a family
just professional
yes absolutely like actor like Anupam Kher sir like it's a big inspiration for me like he's always been like no such a senior actor so humble if I need something I text him he'll call back in 5 minutes
okay
कि अच्छा मनोज these are the problems अच्छा वो ये करना so we have a good relation not only the him like other people also
so what is the dark secret or that thing that part जोटा हमें देखू टीवी रे एंड ऑल सो हाउ यू इन्वॉल्व और हाउ यू डील विथ ऑल दिस थिंग्स
frankly I have no idea about that where you get time you're shooting the whole day with the same person and you go and party so it's very difficult
तो आपन को कोन लागे कि ओडिसा रे को जिंसटा अछि जोटा बॉम्बे रे नाही
ओडिसा रे that ki the honesty of like no the loving people
the
bhaichara the kind of like no warmth we have as a like no Oriya and we welcome those people those things not there it's very professional
okay and Bombay रे कोनटा अछि जोटा हमर 80 नाही
the professionalism
okay
so the professionalism the kind of commitment whatever they have so it's
we don't have अच्छा जो माने कहंती कि ओडिसा रे प्रोफेशनलिज्म नाही से माने कोन पई ओडिसा इंडस्ट्री को प्रोफेशनल बा सिखो नाहंती या एठी किछि डील करू नाहंती समिति
people do not take it seriously one is you have to give the money to learn
it's just about the money over the emotions
it's just for the money
okay
because when you decide to learn no one can stop you
okay
and you can learn from so many sources but when you don't want to learn your parents actually go and learn so then you have to put money to force you to receive those
okay
and that is the difference
तो एमती किसी आपन को के फील हुए कि यार मो जो माटी पाई या मो ओडिसा पाई मते आउ भी किसी करबार थिला जोटा कि मो बॉम्बे लाइफ रे बिजी है कि करि पारनी यू हैव एनी रिग्रेट्स एंड ऑल
नहीं this is the right time so that I'll do So I don't have regret for those. I was telling like why the professional is not coming here. So you need to build a few like film school for acting, direction, script, screenplay, like all kind of aspect in filmmaking. Right? When the producer comes here, is a random person who has money and become producer without any vision. And about the actors, what about the actors in Orissa? We don't have a like an acting school. I don't know if it's there or not, but we don't have
It is
such
there, but people are not taking it seriously and
right?
something like that.
So how many people doing the theater here? How many people practicing those act of acting? It's not there. It's not all the acting, your voice, your command, like so many things in the acting. So
you have to groom yourself.
Exactly. And our problem is we all want to achieve everything in the overnight.
Shortcut.
If you jump, you don't know the floor. Might be just slippery floor and you fall and you broke your leg.
हाँ ट्रू. अच्छा भाई मु गोटे जिनस देखुची कि आम 80s और 90s रे जतबे आम फिल्म देखुतलु से जो फिल्म रो जो सिनेमाटोग्राफी जो रियलिटीटा मते दिसुतला एबेकार फिल्म रे एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी पर भी से रियलिटीटा मिस होची से नाही भी कोन पाई
सेटा द फर्स्ट रीजन like for me I can sense those things. We are not researching a film as a film. Before when you got a script, you read the script, right? Then you got your information कि अच्छा ये film backdrop in Orissa, this film is happening in Puri. Okay. So like when I taking example, like if I am not from Orissa, how do I know Orissa about how it looks? I have to do some referencing like how the
research or something.
But in my film, it's shown that it's a summer in Orissa.
Okay.
So how it looks in summer. So those kind of research, I think when you do in a film, definitely like when you go for a shoot, we try to achieve. We like tell the producers and director why not to shoot in winter, why not to shoot in summer. So we'll feel those kind of like sense. But abhi kya ho raha hai ki you got an actor date and you have to do a film in 2 months and you have to adjust the location because this location is not permissible to go. So in that way you have to compromise so many things, right? So you were shooting inside a studio creating something which is not very realistic. They just built a studio because of like Orissa हम जा नहीं सकते हैं, यहाँ पे problem है, वहाँ पे problem है, so we'll shoot it here. So how many like production designer know about Orissa?
They don't know anything.
They don't know. Like, they'll research something and they just put okay ये होता है. So in that way, what you are learning, because that time to do a film that take a year. Now the film is been done in 2 months.
So the 1 month is enough.
Enough because nobody has time because every actor has a limited date. You have to finish day night. Khatam
everyone is busy.
Busy, yeah.
We are like octopus.
Yeah, because we just trying to do everything in very quick and like make money and go. Because for me, it's my last job is my next job. If my last job give an opportunity for something, somebody will see the work and otherwise you'll be outdated. If your last job did not do well, it doesn't matter for me the film is doing it not well or not. For a cinematographer, your part should be balanced. So that you have to be very careful.
You have to be a professional, good professional. So as an ओडिया तो आपण कौन भावंती कि as an आम film industry रो कौन future अच्छी?
Sometimes we gone through such phase to revolve the things. So this is the phase we are going inside a tunnel where you can see a light. So definitely that will be changed because now lots of youngsters they're coming with the new ideas. But who will accept those ideas? The producers, the directors, right? If they're not equipped, they're not mentally prepared to accept to deliver something new and something different.
We can't do anything.
Then we can't do.
You are connected with Hollywood and Odisha film industry directly?
Not really.
So who is a favorite actor or something like that? The last film?
Like my very close friend, like I've been interact always with Anu Chaudhary.
Anu Chaudhary, okay.
And recently I've been interact with Suryamai.
Suryamai.
Yeah, so it's the 2 generation I can say because my first was when I was studying, that time Anu was the heroine in that film. So I've been known at that time.
Which film?
It is I think Gojoba and I've been
Gojoba and how first film?
Yeah, her first film.
Her first film.
And that time we've been to from film school to Gunford to see that shoot.
Okay.
That they permit us to go and watch how the filmmaking is happening there.
Have you ever watched any Odia
old films I have seen. Recent films I tried to see after some time I could not.
What is the last film?
Oriya film? Last film on screen, Oriya film, it is I think I can't remember, like it's a very long time now. I have not seen Uriya film for a long time. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, but if you ask me the old films, Gopal Vishata Jajabar, like no, Maya Mringa, like I have seen all the films.
All the films.
All the films.
Okay.
Those are my all-time favorite. But unfortunately, few films are not in the now OTT platform because still I think those things should come out.
True.
No doubt, we have like no great filmmakers. We did so many like no beautiful films in the past, but somehow we lost the path somewhere. Like somebody misguided us. So we've been now in that transit period to like no revolving and going back to our own.
अच्छा आपन को लागुची कि हम हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री जो बिग कैनवास रो जिनसटा माने धीरे धीरे जो गोटे चोरी हो जाउची या लॉस्ट हो जाउची जो जिनसटा हमें पैसा रो देखितिले जो जिनसटा हमें कागज के फूल रे देखितिले या जो जिनसटा हमें जो राज कपूर को फिल्म्स रे देखुतिले बट एबे से जो बिग कैनवास ता कि गोटे लिमिटेशन भीतर पळे आसी आपन को लागुची
नहीं because क्या हुए कि every generation they have their own way of like no presenting the story as per the society.
ओके
So if you compare those Kagaz Ke Phool and that kind of like no the big films, now Mr. Bansal is doing the very similar, but the canvas is different because now the audience does not want to go to see the Kagaz Ke Phool if somebody don't mind, because it was the story of in that time when there is no communication, right? There is no such kind of so like now the society keep on changing. So we should like no keep those aspect of society in the filmmaking, even our histories. Like if you take any Bansali films, definitely it's connected to some other history and some the real aspect. Like one of the film I really like, it's a Gujarish, right? And it's a remake film, but very nicely adapted the film and done in Indian way, keeping the Indian values and Indian aspect in throughout the film.
ओके
So remake some good film is not a bad idea, but you have to keep our own taste, no?
तो आपन लगे कि जो वर्कहॉलिक लोक माने भलो बापा या भलो स्वामी होबाटा टिक कष्टकर है जाय स्पेशली इन आवर इंडस्ट्री
Might be हो सकता है. It's quite like no obvious कि सब लोग तो ऐसा नहीं, but कुछ लोग हो जाते हैं. That we can't like differentiate them, but hey, yes.
अच्छा आपन को लागे कि हमें जो इंडस्ट्री या जो फील्ड रे काम करछे वी पीपल आर डबल फेसेस बिकॉज़ वी हैव अ डिफरेंट फेस इन प्रोफेशनल थिंग एंड वी हैव अ डिफरेंट फेस इन पर्सनल लाइफ तो से जो डबल फेस होबा हमको एक्चुअली दरकार ना दरकार नहीं ऑल द टाइम
I think everybody has the universally everybody has a
double face.
Everybody, because what
why do people blame in glamour industry or entertainment
because
industry
it's a very easy target, no? We are very soft target. Because our industry is something, it's a need for every industry, because सब कुछ करने के बाद टीवी ऑन करना पड़ता है. सब कुछ करने के बाद you have to switch on your mobile. Then what you see, you few messages, then you come to videos. To whom to see, like your favorite actor, actress. Because if you are not like the film industry, don't see, no? Go to see like any like wild animal, something like nature. You see those.
वो देखेंगे और कमेंट में मारेंगे.
Exactly, because see, you can't stop those things. Let it be. Like I think I'm very happy people commenting. As much as you can comment, I can correct myself more. And if somebody is noticing me, I'm happy. Oh yeah, he is noticing.
I'm here.
Yes.
तो आपण ପାଇଁ कोन लागु त रिलेशनशिप आर वेरी फास्ट और समथिंग लाइक दैट हमको टाइम ई सब जिंस गुडा हमको बहुत प्रॉब्लम करे हम रिलेशनशिप हमर निजर जो इमोशंस हम वैल्यूज हम फैमिली थिंग ए सब जिंस को
The problem right now, everything we are going through like this mobile, the social media.
Mobile is monster. It's the biggest monster.
And the social media. So what happened? Whatever you just okay, if you're not interested, you open your phone and you started searching something. So if you are in like some relationship, what you don't want to give time because you find that it's boring now, is something nonsense. I want to spend more time here. So then how you balance that area? Because there is a gap.
There is a gap. There is a big gap.
Though never it comes from the phone. It's a useless. Like you can just do for your basic things, but it's not a gadget or something give you any emotion. No. When I connect, I heard a real voice. I connect more. The text are not. So when I see a person, I'm more happy. Because see, you see the real person. Even I am somewhere like in the world, but if I connect to my parents, I'm very happy that I see them like, oh, hello, hello, hello. So those things
Exciting.
give me excitement because पहले हम सुनते थे माँ बाप अच्छा
अब हम देख
अभी
ही
हम
सकते
देखते
हैं
हैं yes
ओडिशा सहित आपण केमती निजको कनेक्ट रखन जेतेबेला आपण बॉम्बे रे रुहंती आपण बिजी लाइफस्टाइल ऑल द थिंग्स एंड ओडिशा सहित केमती
नहीं
निजको
मोर कुछ बिजी लाइफस्टाइल नहीं है मोर बहुत नॉर्मल आई एम टेलिंग यू आई एम क्वाइट नॉर्मल आई लव टू बी इन लाइक नो ऑलवेज काइंड ऑफ बिजी माई सेल्फ इन द वर्क बिकॉज आई हैव ए हंगर समथिंग you know
Hunger for what?
hunger
Learning new.
No, because क्या होता है कि you got every day new challenges and even a shooting also a shooting for something is not very easy you know everything very calculated way there is a budget given for you but suddenly you realize you want something different because you never planned it before shoot and after shoot that is equally like your shooting तो वो प्लानिंग में जाता है यू शूट करते हो देन यू पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन यू गो एंड करेक्ट व्हाटएवर द मिस्टेक्स यू डिड व्हाटएवर द
इट्स मोर देन पार्ट ऑफ द जॉब
यस एब्सोल्युटली
जेतेबेला आपण काम करंती यू आर वर्किंग विथ शाहरुख खान सैफ अली खान माधुरी दीक्षित एंड ऑल द बिग पीपल बिग स्टार्स तो अब से जो फीलिंग टा कौन था है माने द नॉर्मल या दे आर इगोइस्टिक और समथिंग लाइक दैट व्हाट इज दैट
वेरी नॉर्मल इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक नो फैमिली इज नथिंग दैट की कोई एक्स्ट्रा
Nothing more than.
no it's very normal when you are like working with a celebrity you little more alert so before why somebody will come and tell you so better you prepare and you alert you just give those things so nobody can come so yeah I think celebrity के लिए थोड़ा alertness बढ़ जाता है otherwise
आर यू डिमांडिंग यू नो वर्क
no not demanding why should I demand for what because this is a basic need for a film shooting no whatever the things when you've been pre-production we've been mentioned those
बोले बहुत लोग कहते कि ओडिशा रे बहुत सक्सेसफुल लोक जो माने बॉम्बे रे एस्टाब्लिश्ड से माने ओडिशा को प्रमोट करंती तो एक्चुअली आपनकर कोन होता
तांको केमित प्रमोट करबे माने व्हाट इज द एक्सपेक्टेशन की व्हिच वे दे शुड प्रमोट करे हमको सब लागे इजी से इफ आई एम वर्किंग विद शाहरुख खान समथिंग मैं बहुत बड़ा मतलब ही विल बी वेरी बिग पोस्ट दैट की व्हाटएवर ही से पीपल विल एक्सेप्ट नो बिकॉज़ थिंग्स आर डिवाइडेड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द एक्टर्स आई नो दिस थिंग्स ऑलवेज कम्स लाइक नो हमारे एक्टर क्यों नहीं प्रमोट करते हैं because there is always for any kind of shoot there is a acting agency like no actor agency those who handle only actors
casting agency
sorry yeah so those he got the script and he got the list of actors so they never mention कि ये कहाँ से आ रहा है if your script need a Oriya actor definitely they'll hunt you right because you can speak Oriya and you can connect if the actor they can hunt from Tamil because they need a actor like Tamil you can speak and he can look like if they can hunt a guy from like Punjab, he look like Punjab and he speak Punjabi. So what is wrong with to accept him? Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. So somehow in that script that Oriya is missing somewhere.
जेतबेला आपण बुधिया सिंह कॉलेज जेतबेला आपण बुधिया सिंह ऊपर काम करथले तो आपण निजको केते से जिनसर इंटू करथले कि बुधिया सिंह रो लाइफस्टाइल तार जो फिल्म होतला से सब जिनस बिसर आपण केते निजको इन्वॉल्व थिले आ ओडिसा सहित तार जिनसडा केते कनेक्ट थिला
Yes, जबे मते माने officially they like no told me I'm doing the Oriya that Budiya Singh तो I started doing research because मैंने सुना है मैंने कभी बुधिया सिंह को देखा भी नहीं था because मैं बॉम्बे में रहा but I know the whole fact and the whole story about Budiya Singh so I did the research about then when I come to Bombay I've been that place also where the Budiya stay I saw those areas then I come with the director I did a recce and the very strange like the director was directing that film he was the first time directing a film
ओके आपन को लागे कि आपन जदि एठी ओडिसा रे जो ओडिया फिल्म रे सहित अछंती आपन निजो केते कनेक्ट कर पारे या तांकर जो प्रोफेशनलिज्म अछि या तांकर जहा डिमांड्स अछि आपन को केते फुलफिल कर पारे या से माने आपन को डिमांड को फुलफिल कर पारे
see frankly more demands if I'm coming to here to shoot something like what are the camera we're shooting there the same camera is here
but the money is a matter na
see like if I love something to do it where the money comes
okay
so you have to convince me such a way no either give me money otherwise give me a good script I will surrender yourself okay I want to do this well
okay
so that two parallel way right
is emotion or money
no because which one like how the things will personally agree right if I am money oriented I'll never look back here if I'm looking for something do something different and I know this script has a challenge and it has a potential to represent Orissa in national level then money never comes whatever the basic money that's fine because you are doing something for your own
तो जो माने एबे जो ऑडियंस या जो माने जो पिला माने आपन को ए सेक्टर रे लाइन करिया पे चाहउछन प्रोफेशन करिया पे चाहउछन तुम कोन एडवाइस करिवे
first thing, there should not come like no that idea that ki overnight the success will comes to you.
Havan.
It will take time.
Huh.
And
Not come with zero knowledge.
no, take your basic knowledge. Otherwise, what will happen? Then everybody will misguide you. So better to come with the basic knowledge that ki no one can misguide you.
True.
And keep in mind that ki if you want success, you have to be focused. You have to be very careful about your that acting or whatever professional field you have to do. You have to focus that ki what are the things I can achieve. So keep your target. So if your target something that ki मुझे ये करना है and I want to be something, then you have to find a path. You have to very carefully like no not damaging yourself कि mentally stress अरे नहीं हो रहा है मुझे कोई contact नहीं मिल रहा है ये नहीं होगा. So it's a process, it will take time, but definitely you'll find a path to reach there.
It's difficult, no? Sometimes it's too difficult.
See, everything is difficult. It's nothing. It's very easy.
Nothing is easy.
So if your difficulty you can't handle, then how will handle that joy? Like no, your success.
Huh. You have to do a war always.
Always, because we are soldiers.
Huh.
We are soldiers.
Life is a war. Like
yeah,
life is
it's
like
a war. Because once we left means we don't know who is your target.
You can't quit.
Yeah, because we have to
Do it.
find the person and yeah, we have to do that.
You have to find your own path.
Yes.
थैंक यू सर आप आसिले एंड आम बहुत सारा कथा है एंड आपको बहुत लोग इंस्पायर भी होते बहुत लोगों माने बहुत चीज़ क्लीयर हो जाए सो थैंक यू वी हैड ए लवली कन्वर्सेशन
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू
Arundhati Jewelers presents Glamour